It's all about the ring light, you guys. Yay, I received my ring light, 19 inches, in the mail today from Amazon. They packaged it really nice, you guys. Nothing was broken. Everything was properly packaged. And I put it together less than like 2 minutes. It was really easy just to connect everything together. It had instructions, had a lot of great different pieces in there, and I'm going to break it down and explain what piece is, what can you use it for, and I'm even going to show you how well it works. In this video, you're also going to see all the different light filters of what it's going to look like to see if you should purchase this item or if you like it yourself. So like these are the instructions, and some of the instructions have pictures and images, so that's like really nice, you know, it makes it really easy to assemble it. And this light that I bought, you guys, comes with so many great things. It's gonna come with like these 3 filters in this box. You're gonna see blue, green, and red, and later on in the video I'm going to like show you what it looks like using these colors. And they package it really great. They get a nice size bag with a strap, so because this camera you can actually shoot with it outside. It has a battery pack, Sony battery packs, so this can be used outside or location, and that's the bag. So that's the light itself. The stand is very steady, but I would still put weights on the bottom because your camera or everything would be, you know, heavy. As you see there, it has a USB. I love that. You can even brighten it up. It's very simple to use. Everything has 3 little knobs on the top. That means you can put 3 different objects on the top, like your iPhone, iPad, mini iPad. It comes with all those different tools. And right now I'm just playing with the light source. I'm so excited to have this, just to practice the light on his skin, just to see all the different colors. The DC 1512, that's to turn it off, and the other one was the plug to unplug it. Okay, so these are some of the extra features that comes with it. So as you see here, these connect to the actual light, and it's going to be in the center of the light. And you see how some is taller, some swivel, and some rotate. So, you know, so for all those different items that I was speaking before, like the mini iPad, and for your iPhone 7, iPhone 11, whatever you have, even your camera. So you can attach any of those items on this actual light, and you could attach up to 3 different ones. Now, I only have 1 of each, so I don't have 2 of the same attachments, but they are really great. And I love this because you could get your perfect angle, you know, without messing up the light source. The light will stay steady, and then you just move the object of the camera around. As you see, I'm just screwing it on. You just slide it right in there, and then you tighten it up on the little bottom part by just screwing it a little bit. And you see I put it in the center one, so it has 2 on one side and the other side. That's the turn on button, that little circle. And it's really steady, and you see right there, I'm going to tighten. That's where you can turn the iPad in any direction. And as you see, I'm moving the light around, and it's really steady. Oh, it's great. Perfect. So I'm Really excited. So now I'm using an iPad that's a little bigger. That was the mini one, just to show you that it can actually hold both objects and it fits in the middle of the circle. That's why it's important to get a 19-inch. It just depends on what you guys are working with. And this one is the swivel. So you see it's a little round ball in there and it swivels around and you could get really, really great directions, you know, angles and stuff. And then you could also put this one on there and this will hold the phone in tighter than the other one I just showed you. This can hold the iPhone. And that would also move in different directions too. So if you have two items up there in the same time, say you have an iPad mini and iPhone, you can like have them in two different directions. You can have one in zoom and then one far away and shoot it at the same time to have two different dimensions. And later on in this video, you guys, I'm definitely going to go in detail of the color of the filters. So this is the iPhone 7. It holds it right nice in place, and I actually kept my cover on there just to show you that it can work with covers. It doesn't matter. You don't have to like actually take the phone out of its cover. I could do a 360 on there. This is awesome. And then you just tighten it. So that's what I'm doing so it can be steady. Perfect. So that's another slot. So now I'm showing you guys three objects in there in the same exact time, just to show you. Yeah, so they all swivel. You can move in multiple directions. So what I'm going to show you next is actually no ring light. So, and the other side has the ring light. You see the difference in the eyes, and I'm going brighter and brighter. So this is the brightest, and then I'm going to jump to the red filter, and then we're going to hit up the green, and then we're going to do the blue. And that's what it comes. It comes with all three of those. I paid about $159.99 on Amazon. And I have a remote control to control the lights. I have a remote to control the video and the pictures of my phone because it's connected through the USB. This is a great item. If you guys want a jump start on your YouTube channel, this is the way to go for beginners. Please leave comments down below. Let me know if you guys like this. Did you purchase it? Or if you have any other further questions that I didn't come up with, you know, or if anything you want to ask me, just holler. Leave anything down below. Like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.